Paul Katroff, 423buyland.com. Thank you. Another wonderful morning. I haven't released a video in a few days because I have a lot of projects going on, but as you know, when it comes to the development, it's more important than actually buying the property. People want to use the property. There's not a lot of long-term investors in here. Everything is very much short-term. Well, I'm approaching a lot that we're doing. Yulette's doing lot 138, and she officially has the Aqua Texas company coming out, dropping our sewage pipe and our septic meter. Gosh,
Water meter.
Our water meter. Okay, whatever. Anyway, the opportunity is priceless. It's a short video. You guys ready to go check out what it takes? Watch this. Okay. Here's lot 138. We are installing a rental unit, and this is the company. They come out with the whole armada. And what they're doing is they're taking the sewage, and they're going to draw that and break into the street. They're going to put the sewage right there, and I'm going to tap onto that, and I'm going to run the pipe like that. On this side, if you see this hole right here, pretty fascinating. I like to see how they do it. Of course, they got the big machinery. You can see that little blue pipe. That's your water pipe. So what they're basically going to do is they're going to cut into that, and they're going to put a T connection or something like that, I think, and then they're going to put a meter out the surface level. Anyway, Paul Katroff, check this out. This gentleman here works for Aqua Texas. This is where you have to get some really dedicated people. This gentleman is a workhorse, and I wish he worked for me, but he's doing a fantastic job. I just did that last week. That's an awful job to do. I just did that. I run my own pipes. So I'm just doing this for YouTube. Anyway, I'm gonna run my water there. Let's go look at this and leave these guys alone. Fair enough? Really cool. They bring out the big stuff. Hey, you guys enjoying this? Pretty cool. Watch this. Here they are, doing the install for the sewage. Okay. Of course, that's going to be a big mess. We're going to have to get Dave to clean that up. So, you're going to have a white pipe sticking out here. You're going to have a water meter here. The water, you can see the pipe there runs here. The sewage runs on the opposite street. So, as I look at my lot, I'm going to go from here, and I've calculated right about to there. Notice my clearing guy, Dave is the best. You see how our clearing company? Well, underneath we churn the ground. If you just go drop trees with a clearing company and you go to try to run your own pipes, you can't. Oh no. Actually, the clearing is really not that important. It's all about the stumps and root system. Really great opportunity to show each and every one of you exactly what they do to come get you hooked up. So I'm ready to go to work. Wow, you guys ready for another update video? I'm gonna do an update on this here. I'm not like lot 55, but you know, because we're not gonna sell this. But as I develop the property, when I come up with some really key important things, I'm gonna shoot it and send it to you, all to help you with the development. Take care. Paul Katroff.
Tank. Are you saying you want on the bed? Is that what you want? Are you sure? I mean, why would you want to come on the bed? I get it. Really? I should have named you Arf. Arf, Arf. You want on the bed, don't you? It doesn't matter. I just want on the bed.
Good boy, you get that kitty? Good boy.
Well, I hope we're going up. I think the president's right. It's a big day. It's a good day.
Attention, aren't you? No, I know it. You need a